how to make 50,000 Kenyan shilling each and every month on Facebook. That is an equivalent of less than 400. Okay, let's say around 450 or $400 around there to make that amount of money in Facebook. By the way, listen, I thought it was a joke. You remember there is a video I made some times back and I told you Kenya has been listed as one of the countries where the Meta, the owner of the Facebook, are we together? Meta is the company that owns the Facebook. We all know that it's owned by Mark Zuckerberg. But anyway, Kenya is one of the few listed countries in Africa that actually you can monetize your Facebook account. That means if you have a Facebook account, you can make money. By the way, before I even continue on this video, tell me on the comment section, how many of you here, they have a Facebook page and it is already monetized and you can see you're making some few coins. Probably you're saying, wow, today I made $5, yesterday I made $7, wow, today I made $20, or even $3 or $4 or $5, whichever the amount of. How many of you here can actually realize that? And if you've been sitting or living under the rock, you didn't even know it exists. By the way, this is how you can earn on Facebook, and it's quite interesting. This is Good Joseph, and I try the best I can to make sure that I gather the information that can help you financially, whether to save your money, to invest it, or any other ways on how you can make your cash in a in a legit way and a reliable way. If you're watching me for the first time, go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure that you subscribe and you leave a comment on the comment section. For the returning subscribers, as always, thank you for your eyeballs. Let's get on the business now. Here we are. Facebook, first of all, you can make money on Facebook, okay? You see the way you usually go to watch a video on Facebook and then there is an ad that you have to wait until it plays. That ad actually pays the owner of that particular video there. Are we together? Now, earning on Facebook, you can earn in different ways. Some of you be like, okay, Joseph, I can't make videos like you. I may not have a microphone that you have and a studio that you have, but I would like to do that. It is very simple and I want to make it very easier for you. Number one, you can actually make money on Facebook by posting photos. Posting photos. Can you imagine that? Posting photos. Are we together? Maybe there's something funny you've seen somewhere, provided adheres to the rules and the regulations of the Meta. You take a photo of it. Of course, you don't take very nasty things. You get what I'm saying? So you take a very nice photo, you put a very nice caption there, and then you post it. That interaction actually helps you to make some cash. Posting photos. You can make a posting. I don't want to mention that particular individual, but there is an individual who just posts herself doing just okay, guys, you know what I'm talking about. Not the bad thing one, but just posting herself doing like this, and that, and in a month she has over 100,000 Kenyan shilling. That's like $1,000, and that's a good cash if you're here in Kenya. Imagine just doing that. Though I'm not really encouraging you to do that because for me, I come from a Christian background, so I may not really post something like, you get what I'm saying, ladies. Now, posting photos can actually make you some cash on Facebook, just photos alone. And of course, you can posting on your stories, posting on your stories. Okay, for those who have been in Facebook, they know what posting on your stories mean. It's like that WhatsApp status where you post your things and then people can actually watch and like and what have you. That also makes you money if you didn't know. That makes you money. So you can just actually, whenever you're posting your photos, you can actually have it that in your stories too. That will be able to make you some cash. Another one, of course, is creating reels. Creating reels. Okay, reels, these are random videos that usually, I think that is the easiest way I can define it. I didn't say that is the way to define it. I said the way I can define it. These are random videos that you usually see on Facebook, just running across here and there. Maybe once you're scrolling on your videos, you see one funny video, then you click it, then there is a trail of others that you just scroll up as time goes by. Those are called reels. And those reels, if you post them, okay, and by the way, this is where you post original content. Don't take people's videos and post there. That will actually strike you with copyright. You post original videos or original things, meaning it is you who is the owner and the founder of those original videos. That is exactly how you earn, because one of the things that they stress is make sure that you post original content. The content that it is you yourself can authenticate that this is indeed my content. So what you're supposed to understand, that creating reels also makes you make money. Another thing is actually posting videos, or should I say posts. These are the normal things that we are used to, because I believe if you are here and you are a millennial like me, We've been posting these things like forever. See, when you go to Facebook, there is that part that says what is in your mind. And you can opt to post a photo. You can opt to post, say, a video or something like that. So posting those videos and reels actually makes you some cash, is as little as that. And by the way, you can also use Facebook as a way of advertising your business. Can you imagine this? You're talking about your business, and at the same time, you can also make sure that you make some cash on that particular videos or posts that you're actually making in there. So what you're supposed to understand, guys, is that Facebook has actually been monetized. I used to think like, hey, it's a joke or something like that, until now I saw, wow, it's real, it's actually happening and people are doing it. Some of the biggest celebrities in Kenya, you can see them, some of them flossing and telling you, hey, been making like 8,000 in a month, 9,000, you know, others even upwards of 10,000 and what have you. That is quite a good amount of money, isn't it? That you can be able to do something in your life. So what I can tell you guys is that Facebook, it is here and is actually monetized and you can do something about it. Let's do a simple mathematics. If you were to target to earn 50,000 in a month, 50,000 in a month, that will be equivalent of around talk of $15-ish in a month, in a day. $15, or let's say 15 to 10, let's say $10 to $15, okay? $10 to $15. $10 to $15, I can tell you for sure, if your videos or your posts are getting an interaction of an average of, say, not even 15 to 20K, I can assure you making this amount of money per day, it's no business. And if you get $15 in a day, that's like $450. $450, that is even more than 50K. I can tell you for sure. If you can make sure to post videos that are getting interaction, and by the way, sometimes you can even post one video and it gets hundreds of thousands of views. Are we together? So even if in the future you post a video that doesn't hit this, the video that you did post that actually hit that milestone can help you to do what? To boost that one, and it can be able to as well to boost your income. So what you can do if you want to take this one as a serious should I say side hustle or something like that, then you have to target the number of views you're targeting, and also making sure that you post each and every day, committing those tasks that the Facebook are giving you each and every time, so that you can do so. By the way, this is what I always tell people. Can you imagine this? Even if you never hit this target and you post your videos and you get, let's say, $3 a day, just $3. $3 a day, that is an equivalent to around 400 shilling in Kenya. 400 shilling. And you know, is it which body? Is it is it United Nations or what? It says that those people who are classified as poor, there are people who earn less than $2 in a day. Can you imagine how you're earning $3, meaning you're already above? And let's say this Facebook that you're posting these posts or photos or whichever does not deter you from doing your day-to-day activity. Let's say you are employed. This can be used as a side hustle. You post your things. Are we together? You know, you post it there on that Facebook. You can talk about what you do. You can talk about the business that you usually do. Just don't say anything and post. You see anything, just post. Either you're inspiring, you're educating, or you're entertaining. You post those things. And once you post, can you imagine if you only target $3? $3, that is 400 in a day. 400 in a day, multiply that by 30, you have yourself 12,000 in a month. 12,000, some of you, that can actually pay rent. Actually, most of you will actually pay rent with that amount of money. Are we together? So what happens is that this thing, you can actually use it for your own benefit, and can actually be used to do something. And I always tell people, assuming you do this, whatever you'll be getting from Facebook, you always be investing in a money market fund. Or let's say you'll be buying stocks, for instance. Then each and every month you're getting yourself 12,000. What if you commit yourself and be like, you know what, whatever I will be earning from Facebook, no matter how little or big it is, I'll be investing, say, in stocks for the next 2 years. And then whatever I'll be having in that investment of 2 years, then of course I will sell those stocks, or the returns that I can make out of me liquidating all the stocks that I have, then I will invest in 1, 2, 3. Can you imagine if you commit yourself in doing this 12,000 each and every month buying stocks for 2 years? And of course these stocks are growing, and of course your Facebook is growing. You are learning more about it, and the more you learn more about it, the more you become efficient in posting, and of course getting more views and getting more interaction. And then of course this means more money getting in. That means more money being invested, and it means more money you earning it from your stocks or your money market fund. And that ultimately means that, you see, you can view these as you are seated somewhere, and then all of a sudden you got your 300 shilling. There are people who are earning this amount of money in a day on a very serious note, employed somewhere. This is the amount of money they are making in a day. Tell me how many people are earning 12,000 in a month. Just be sincere. Tell me who is earning, how many people are earning that. That is somebody's a whole month salary. Actually, more than. I know people who make 8,000 in a month. 8. That's like 8,000 in a month. That's like how many dollars? $60 or $65 or something like that. You can be able to make extra of that. Please, we are living in an era of what can I say, internet. And the attention is the new currency. If you can manage to bring attention on your side, you can make some cash out of it. And I try to share with you these small tips that you can utilize it and use it. For example, there is a guy who is a Kenyan and he drives trucks in the Europe. I wish I can remember his name and I will be able to share with you. He just, imagine there's nothing big he shares, just turning on the camera and just driving and telling people, hey, this is Europe, this place is called, today I'm going 500 kilometers, I'm going to this particular place, this is how Europe looks like, this is where I move from one company to the, country to the other, I'm now heading to Germany, I'm now fueling my, just normal things. And then you are there, you are being happy. These guys are making money. They are. Just post whatever you do. In Kenya, we call them, if you're a mama mboga, just film me in the morning. Hey, I'm going to the market. I'm now picking my vegetables. I'm now coming back. I'm doing, just film anything. Film anything. Turn on your camera. Just do anything. Post those things. Just post those things. There's some of you who are very good at, okay, you don't have to be good at cooking. Just post normal life. You're just normal life. Although don't post like some of the private things like your families and members or something like that. Just post, hey, this is where I live, this is my house, look, something like that. And then you'll be making some, you people, you're not seeing where we are in this time. We are not living in the era of 1920s or the era of 2000s. We are in the era of the attention is the new currency. And the moment you start gathering attention, corporates and companies will look for you. That is a fact, because they want you to popularize them and them to be known out there. It is that simple. Guys, go ahead and do something about it, okay? So I was here to share with you that indeed you can make some extra 50 Gs or more than 50 Gs in a month if you commit yourself in posting on this Facebook, because indeed you can make some cash. And at all the time, I'm here to share with you some of the tips, some of the things that you can do and can help you to make some extra coin. And once you make that extra coin, make sure that you invest it to earn another extra coin. And in that manner, then you'll be able to grow yourself exemplary. This is Good Joseph at all the time. If you need my services, don't forget that is my number. You can pick it up there. Shoot me a text or a call, then we'll be able to. But I prefer a text on my WhatsApp rather than a call. Sometimes I may not be able to return the calls, but I try the best I can to do that. And in case you called me recently and I didn't pick your call, I'm so sorry. But you can send me a text on my WhatsApp. It's also my WhatsApp number. Then I'll be able to respond to your texts. This is Good Joseph. See you in the next one.